Wisdom does not show itself so much in precept as in life, in firmness of mind and a mastery of appetite. It teaches us to do as well as to talk and to make our words and actions all of a color. Meaning, wisdom actually has always been a very complicated, chaotic, contradictory, difficult, dangerous virtue by and in itself in one way or another, because wisdom does not necessarily concern itself with books, reading, knowledge, and the acquisition of a whole lot of theories into our minds if we're not able to act, if we're not able to engage in action and commit to ourselves towards virtue, morality, significance all the time, if we're not able to engage in action of integrity, morality, character, and act with absolute composure, sovereignty, distinction, then all of our knowledge and theories and the acquisition of degrees and accomplishment of formal education loses meaning, significance, worth, character, anyways. So, wisdom ultimately shows, displays, epitomizes, or represents itself about ourselves in our actions, behaviors, external engagements, communications, interaction, relationships with one another, and not just in concepts and precepts. Wisdom is basically represented and epitomized within ourselves in our behavior, consistency, persistence, perseverance, resilience towards external adversity, outside circumstances, societal situations, conditions, corruptions, criticisms, oppositions, and basically judgments, opinions, and everything that's bad that's being hurled upon us. If we're able to show resilience to that, then that is absolute wisdom. And if we can also bring our own shadows, weaknesses, evils, wrongs into the light and admit to them, and then seek constant rectification, improvement, betterment, enhancement of our problems as well as of our abilities. If we can come to the realization, the recognition that we too have our shadows, that ultimately we are only dwelling and persisting in ignorance, arrogance, comparison, conformity all the time, then that is wisdom that constantly believes in learning, growing, evolving, progressing of the individual man and woman in one way or another. So obviously, wisdom always teaches us to act also, to engage in action and not just gather knowledge, acquire theories, and possess education and achieve success, money, fame, possession. If we're not able to engage in virtuous action and basically character, composure, and so that's how wisdom works in actions and practicality more than knowledge and precepts and concepts. It helps us relieve ourselves